Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm back again today with another tutorial for you, except for this one is not about Maxymo. It is actually about a new app we released for all the Amazon Flex drivers out there. That's right. We have an automation app for you. We have an alert system for you. We are going to make searching for Amazon blocks easier. Of course, first thing you want to do is you want to come in here, you want to create your account. Once you create your account, it'll log you in. And you will come up to the main page. On this page, I know you see some options, so let's go over each one of these individually. The general options, the warehouse ID and the share block data, these two go hand in hand. This is how you get notifications. This is how you share notifications with other drivers. That way everybody can communicate without actually having to communicate. I'm seeing it all day long in Facebook groups now. Everybody's posting pictures of blocks, and by the time they take a screenshot, they post a picture, people open their Facebook to look at it, the blocks are gone. So we made it a little bit simpler, a little bit quicker for you. What you do is you put in your warehouse ID. Whatever warehouse ID is for your area, that's what you put in. If you don't know your warehouse ID, it's typically like a 4-number ID, I think. It's JOD1 or something like that. It's typically on your screen where your blocks are at. Now, you don't have to use a warehouse ID. This is the best part about it. Say you only want to share with a certain group of individuals, or you only want to share with your friends. Well, you can change this warehouse ID. Tap anywhere up there. It says tap to change. Type in whatever you want. Hit submit. Now, anybody with the Maxymo warehouse ID number will get an alert. Shut up, Juice. Will get an alert whenever I see a block, and I'll get an alert when they see a block. So I don't have to take a screenshot. I don't have to open Messenger. I don't have to text them. It'll automatically send them a notification. They can click on notification. It'll open their app. They can accept the new blocks if they want them. Of course, if you put in the warehouse ID that you're currently at, say your warehouse ID is JOD1, everybody with the same warehouse ID of JOD1 will share data with each other. That brings us to the second step of the general options, the share block data. When this is on, you will share the block data with everybody that has that warehouse ID tag. When it is off, you share that with no one. But the kicker is, if it is off, you don't receive anything either. It's only fair, right? Alright, if you don't understand that, send us an email at support@middletontech.com and we will gladly explain it in more detail. The next option, auto refresh. That's your little refresh button down here at the bottom. It says refresh. That's what this is going to do. When you turn it on, of course, here's a notice saying that you have read our terms of service. You'll want to go read our terms of service. Click on the menu, hit terms of service. Refresh delay. This is how quickly you want it to click. I know some users are already thinking, well, I can click faster than 1 second. Yes, you can click faster than 1 second. The problem with that, though, is it still takes 1 second to go to the server and bring the data back to you. So you're just sitting there wasting energy clicking a button that's not even doing anything. 1 second is the fastest it can communicate. You don't want it to be 1 second, you can go all the way up to 10 minutes. So if you're a part-timer, you don't really care, put it on 10 minutes and hopefully you'll get something throughout the day. Alright, our alert options down bottom. This is for sounds. Whenever a block or a Prime Now block pops up on your screen, it will play a sound if you have one of the two enabled. You can press each play button. That's the sound you'll hear for block alerts, regular block alerts, delivering packages. That's the sound you will hear for Prime Now things. That includes restaurants, that includes store deliveries. Anything that includes tips is a Prime Now delivery. So select which ones you want and you're good to go. Now don't worry, if you don't want the alert to play, just disable it. FlexAlert will ignore it when it pops up on the screen, and it will actually just keep refreshing until a Prime Now alert pops up. But let's go ahead and leave them both enabled. Now, once you have them both enabled or your options selected, you can click to start Amazon Flex down at the bottom. This will bring up your Amazon. If you have auto refresh enabled, it'll go ahead and start clicking the screen like it did. And when a block pops up, it'll make a sound. If you have shared data on, it will actually send that data to other users with your same warehouse ID. Same thing, if you don't even have the app open and another person with your warehouse ID sees a block, it'll send you a drop-down notification saying, hey, a block has been detected, and then you can go accept it if you want. Anytime you can click stop auto refresh and it will actually stop the auto refresh. It'll go away completely. But you will need to go back to FlexAlert and turn it back on in order for it to start back up. I hope this explained a little bit to you guys so that way you kind of know what's going on with it. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'll do our best to explain those again to you. And thanks for watching. We really appreciate it.